Mapayapang buhay, mga kababayan kong Pilipino. Ang tatalakayin po natin sa topic na to ay ang pag-dismiss ng kaso against kay KOJC Pastor Apollo Kibuloy ng Commission on Election tungkol sa pag-junk ng new petition to declare him as nuisance Senate candidate. Ang COMELEC po ay gumawa ng desisyon nila or final resolution noong December 27, 2024. At ito ay naganap sa COMELEC First Division dahil dinismiss ng Commission on Election si Pastor Kibuloy can already run for the Senate dahil dinismiss ang motion for reconsideration filed by the Workers and Peasant Party President Attorney Jose Sani Matula, and the motion for reconsideration is said to be without valid grounds to warrant a reversal ng decision sa lower level ng COMELEC. The COMELEC and Bank declared that its resolution against Kibuloy to run for Senate is without legal basis and records, and the resolution in the lower COMELEC level is not contrary to law, that it would be erroneous to combine the petition to declare Kibuloy a nuisance candidate with the request to cancel his certificate of candidacy. The case was summarily dismissed by the Commission in Bank as clearly and explicitly mandated by the Commission on Election Rules. The COMELEC and Bank ruling said that Matula's petition was erroneous and unmeritorious, as Kibuloy could not be declared a nuisance candidate based on merely speculations by the complainant and unsubstantiated allegations. Wala pong substance ang alegasyon ni Attorney Matula. The COMELEC rules prohibiting the combined petition to declare, number 1, someone as a nuisance candidate, and number 2, with other petitions for disqualification. Ang sabi sa resolution in Bank, Matula's argument that Kibuloy was using election as a smokescreen for Kibuloy's legal trouble was junk and declared erroneous. Matula's argument na si Kibuloy would undermine the integrity of the 2025 senatorial election as a mechanism for selecting public servant was considered by the COMELEC as based on speculation and not substantiated. Ito po ay a win or victory for the KOJC leadership and sa congregation. Ang kaso na to ay magpapa-allow kay Pastor Kibuloy to run during the 2025 senatorial campaign and election. Thank you for watching, and I hope you were able to get the legal information na wala pong masyadong comment from this influencer. Subscribe and follow and give me a thumbs up if you like this blog.